Just want to bring you the latest pictures we have now of Princess Charlotte's christening. The royal family leaving the church there on the Sandringham estate. Hundreds of well-wishers have turned out today to see the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince George, of course, and Princess Charlotte there being pushed in that vintage pram that we understand was the Queen's, that she used to push two of her own children. These images are going to become iconic, aren't they? Very cute Prince George there. Rhiannon Mills, our royal correspondent, has been in amongst the crowd, talking to people, waiting for the royal family to emerge. And it's quite the reception they were given, Rhiannon.
Yeah, and I think that was a big part of this occasion for the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. They really wanted to say thank you to all of the people who maybe sent them cards or their good wishes when Princess Charlotte was born back on the 2nd of May. But I think those pictures that we're seeing today, they are certainly unique. People will be wondering exactly how the Duke and Duchess managed to have such well-behaved children. We saw them arriving earlier. They decided to walk to church. Princess Charlotte, we didn't get to see much of a glimpse of her to start off with. She was being pushed in that traditional pram, bundled up in the traditional royal christening gown. But we did get to see a lot of Prince George once again. A very good little boy, under 2 years of age, you have to remember. He turns 2 this month. And he was walking alongside his father. Every now and again, Prince William looking down at his son, maybe giving him sort of few words of encouragement, but he kept on walking until they got to the church. Now, as well as all of the general public being able to be there in front of the church watching them, they were also then greeted by their very close family and friends. The Queen, the Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Charles and his wife Camilla, and also Kate's parents, the Middletons, and also her siblings, Pippa and James Middleton, were there for that service. Quite a small congregation, and also included in that congregation were the godparents. A few surprises on who exactly William and Kate decided to choose, rather than opting for their own siblings or maybe cousins that we'd expected, maybe Princess Eugenie or Princess Beatrice. Instead, they went for William's first cousin and also one of the Duchess of Cambridge, also Adam Middleton, her first cousin, and also a few friends as well as godparents. We now know that the family are heading back to Sandringham House, where they'll have a nice cup of tea and also a piece of christening cake, which is taken from the Duke and Duchess's wedding cake. So they'll be enjoying that on what has been a big day for Princess Charlotte.